Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bethany. If this is your first time, and if it's not, welcome back. Go ahead and hit that notification button and be a part of the Bethany squad. Today we're going to be testing out a glossy lid. A glossy lid. Yes, this look right here is what we're going to be creating. So if you are interested in how to create this look and get this chocolate brown glossy eye look, then keep on watching. We're starting with brows done today, and I'm going to take the Sephora Face Ultra Perfecting Smoothing Primer. I got a sample, so I'm going to try this. I'm just going to put it on the places that I feel get the most oiliest for me, which is like my T-zone and around my smile lines, my chin. We're doing a glossy lid today, so I figured I'd take my travel size strobe cream and put this over where I put the primer. It just adds a little glow underneath this. We're gonna take MAC's Prep and Prime Pen in Peach Luster to color correct underneath our eyes, just to make sure that we have the even skin tone as well. Taking the Pat McGrath foundation in medium deep 26 next for our foundation base. I don't really use a lot of foundation, so this is what I'm gonna do if I need more coverage. So I'm just gonna go back in and add it. Taking our Born This Way by Too Faced Multi-Sculpt Concealer in the shade Maple. We're just going to use this as our skin colored concealer, but I like to make sure that I cancel out the darkness as well by putting a concealer underneath my eyes that's the same color. And this is an important step for me because even if I'm highlighting, I just don't feel right just putting a really bright concealer underneath my eyes. So I do this first. If you let your concealer sit for a little bit before blending it out, it does give you a little bit more coverage, so keep that in mind. If you do have like hollow points underneath your eyes, just let your concealer sit there just a little bit longer. Kevyn Aucoin Skin Enhancer Concealer in SX11 as our highlighting shade. A little bit of this, very little. A little bit goes a very long way with the Kevyn Aucoin concealer. So we're just going to use this to highlight. I'm going to blend this out. You want to take your time because this is some full coverage concealer, girls, and yeah, I cannot wait to see what the finished look looks like. You have to trust the process. Taking Sacha Buttercup as my translucent setting powder. Just set everywhere that we put concealer. Beauty's Cream Bronzer in Chocolate. We're going to go ahead and bronze up the skin. And you just want to make sure that you're patting this cream product into your skin and not just swiping. Beauty's bronzer, powder bronzer in Coco Naughty. Just going to add some more warmth, kind of set that cream bronzer that we just placed onto our skin. I'm going to take that same Fenty Beauty bronzer and place that into my creases of my eyes, just to give the lid some, just a little color to prep for the glossy lid. I just don't want to put gloss on my lid. I want to have like a little smokiness just to give it a little zhuzh. And with Jackie Aina's collab with Anastasia, Beverly Hills, I'm gonna take the shade Credit, which is the darkest shade here, and I'm just going to put that into my crease. I'm just going to use a little bit. As I said before, I don't want to just put the gloss over a bare lid, so I'm going to just take just the smallest amount like that on my brush. I'm going to go ahead and start swiping that into my crease and my outer V, a little bit over the lid there, you know, light strokes just to kind of give this swipe away the excess translucent powder since we're done with the powder portion of our eyes. Taking the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in Chocolate, Hot Chocolate. I'm gonna use this as the gloss for our glossy lid. I just got this, so I'm just gonna take like a flat brush and I'm going to put this, well, make sure it's pre-coated, but just gonna take it and put that on the put this all over the lid. Be generous with the gloss that is on your lid to kind of help you get the real glossy. So you get the, we're gonna get the gloss out of the tube is to place it on the back of our hands like so, and just dab it that way, because girl, I am not trying to cross-contaminate this Benefit Brow Setter. I did do my lashes off camera just to save time, but you guys know I like to do my brows, well, set my brows after foundation and after I'm done with my eye look. Max Blunt, it's a brown shadow. I used to use it as my contour. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and just put this on my cheek. So we're just gonna take Fenty Beauty's Setting Mist and set our makeup. Okay, now for the lips. I have a glossy lid, so I have been going back and forth on whether or not I wanted to do a glossy lip or if I wanted to do these Fenty Beauty's, you know, what is this called? What collection is this? Snake Skin and their Summer Nights collection. I've had this for a while, I just haven't really had much use. I'm wondering if I should put this on my lid too. No, I think I'm just gonna stick with this on my lid. I don't know, what do you guys think I should do? The Chocolate Wasted by Dose of Colors. I just feel like that would just complete this really cute chocolate glossy eye look. Oh, this smells so good. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is the final look, you guys. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed the process with me. I know that I was a little nervous about how this look was going to actually come together, but this glossy eye trend is giving me everything, and I really like the fact that I put that just a tad bit of eyeshadow underneath the gloss, because I feel like it's very cohesive and monochromatic with the look that we're going for today. So if you enjoyed this look, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and let me know in the comments below what you liked about this look, if you would have changed the lip colors or not.